Hi guys, today I'm going to be reacting to one of Ayden's alternate videos called Heavy Wind. Yeah, you can see it up top, that's what I'm going to be watching. I don't know if I should be watching Heavy Wind, but see it. Okay, just... Oh, we have Dr. Pepper. Honestly, I hate Dr. Pepper, but it's pretty cool. Let's see it down here. I'm watching. Ooh, crap. That's cold. Wait, what the heck's he doing? Oh my goodness, what happened? Did it turn into cherry coke? Ew, don't spill on it, Ayden. This is the craziest part of this video ever. And it has 6 likes and 3 comments. Honestly, I need to pause. I'm gonna comment down below at the end of the video. I'm not Ayden. Honestly, look at that cherry coke. It's honestly terribly. Oh my goodness, how many Dr. Peppers do really have? Bro, no way! My son thinks cherry coke would be impressed. And why is there a Santa Claus sitting there? I don't know why, it's not Christmas. Don't be dumb, it's not Christmas. Wait, how do you get it?
Yes!
Wait, it's not the whole video anyway. Wow! Why is it not called Heavy Wind? Wait, is that just water something? You see that comment out there now. Oh, why is he banging a straw? I don't know. But it's pretty stupid to be banging a straw. I'm kind of stupid, but you can tell because the TV's on. I don't know if I blocked the screen or not. What's that guy playing? Is that his dad talking? Why is he growling about the Like, where's the freaking wind, Ayden? Like, what the heck? Ayden, just bring the wind. And why is he walking? I was like, Dad. Why is he had what's picked off? So just ask your dad what's going on. Bro, why are you dragging there? They're kind of creepy. You don't need any food. Literally don't pay for it. Seems small. Which is my idea, Ayden. God, where's the wind? That's what the video is doing. I'll show you. Wait, why are you putting gloves on it? They should change the video too. My pop keeps turning it to cherry coke. I will tell him that. That's my comment. Why is he so pissed? I don't know why, but you know, I'll do that in front of the worst YouTubers. I don't know whatever, you know? Well, that's the money come back. Well, Ayden, huge shout out, you have to edit that. That's all these things are. But took so strict about videos. I don't believe in it. Okay. Well, the 3 chapters. Oh, she's back for the video. I have to pull his gloves off. Oh, did it get... I don't think those was me. Just walk off, Ayden. Just go get a new soda. You know. Oh, that looks so real. Honestly, he's pretty dumb because what's the win? So I think making me mad and wants me to end this. Okay, let's pay attention. Oh, yeah, see. Oh. That's a good lot. Let's try and cherry coke. Oh my goodness. I want to see it. Whoa! Wait, what was that? That must be the whoa! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Had to hurt. Broken arm. Honestly, is that the last one? How's he still blowing? Oh my goodness, he had broken ankles. But honestly, this is the end of the video. It was great. And also, a bit satisfying. Alright, let's put the mean comment. I don't really put mean comments, but what should I call it up? What is that? We can go check now. Honestly, I don't know who that kid is. Comment out what you know. Reply. Hi. Awesome. That must be his friend or something. Honestly, I don't wanna. How to reply? Check out the wind pump, bro. Bro! I was so dumb after all! Honestly, my favorite post is soda. I can't complain. No, I think it's my dad. He doesn't like what I'm doing. He finds out he's gonna kill me. Alright, so just... He's about to come up. Ayden, can you please fix this and call it? My soda keeps turning into cherry coke. I'm just gonna be nice. Hi, put my comment in. You can tell. He's gonna read it. Thanks for watching before I get in trouble. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna go check on my father. So, see ya. Father, I'm coming.